굵은 애를 까만. 여기인 것 같은데? 슝. Hi.
Where from?
UK.
UK.
And you? Korea.
So you are here for travel?
In Vietnam for 1 month.
Oh, 1 month.
Yeah. In Hanoi for maybe a week.
And you're going to Ho Chi Minh.
No, actually. no.
I think jasmine tea.
I'm just staying in the north for now.
Jasmine tea.
And in 1 week I vegetables and things. Got lots of different things.
Because my co-workers come for end of June, so they want to learn the English. So
Okay,
that's
nice.
why
Yeah. So we always just look and work where there's, so we find either schools for children.
Okay, so this is our second destination and we invite some fresh food here. And when you came to Vietnam, you know, we eat a lot of vegetables. And some people say that the reason why we're so fit because we only eat vegetables, but it's not. Okay, we have a lot of problem with diabetes, gut, everything. We love meat and like just food. But today, for this is five traditional dishes we have. Some pork meat for the 2 dishes. One is grilled pork noodle and one is spring roll. And yeah, and the reason why, and with the grilled pork noodle and spring roll today, I want to choose the shoulder. And the reason why the shoulder, because the ratio between meat and fat is perfect. 80% of meat and 20% fat. It's not too fatty like the belly and not too meaty like the leg. And actually, if you like came from Western country, you may feel like it's a little bit weird to see us to selling fresh meat on the payment, right? Oh. Wow. Okay. So can you come over there? Where you come to? Yeah, this way.
와, 재밌겠다.
And we have to divide. So can you come over this way?
어떻게 하는 거지? 그냥 그래서 이렇게 내려서 이렇게.
Yeah. So yeah, one more. Yeah. So you know, some products, so we have to divide with little glasses.
No worries.
Yeah.
It's a busy, right?
Yeah. It's good.
여기서 알겠다.
Okay, so can you go? Yeah. See? Okay, so maybe it's a little bit hard. So you prepare some chair and you can have a seat whenever you want to. This is. And I will give you the chopstick, and this is chopstick we use when we're cooking.
Okay.
And before we start today, I want to say after this cooking class, we're going to have a book of recipe for you on. So you don't have to worry if you forgot anything while we're cooking. So just enjoy. Yeah.
Voilà, c'est bien.
Yeah. You know, it gets burned very, very fast,
Yes,
right?
sir.
이거 하고 싶나 봐.
Yeah, lovely. Very good too.
Ouais, c'est bien, ouais, celui-là peut-être on peut le mettre ailleurs même.
Okay, let's see. Yeah. Yeah,
Oh,
thank
nice.
you. Okay, so with the shallot, it's just easy.
Il y a too many.
Yeah, too many.
Ouais,
And
j'ai un
you can
peu.
let it sit on the side.
Toi, t'en as 10 fois trop.
물 많이 묻혀야 돼?
Yeah, you can smell a little bit. Much better. Yeah, that's good already. Thank you.
Voilà, et maintenant tu roules. Bien serré, bien serré.
Et c'est là.
Regarde, Elio, le plus serré possible.
Ouais. Ils sont bons un peu.
Yeah, that's so nice.
Tout skinny.
Yeah, too skinny.
Sans vos frères.
Ah, t'es sûr?
Nickel.
Et ça se voit, c'est-
Non, moi j'ai fait que ce bois, c'est un
Là, il y avait un trou.
aucun de cela.
Si, si, Elio, tu vois.
Non, parce que papa, tous les miens, ils ont mis sur cette pile. Voilà, tous les miens, ils ont mis sur cette pile. 3 minutes.
And this is, yeah, and this is the spring roll we got. And for the spring roll, we have to cut them. This way. And make them like.
Are you hungry now?
Are you hungry now? Yeah. So we will hurry up and wait a little bit more. Yes, nice. That's okay.
In another plate?
Yeah?
In another plate?
Yeah, let me show you. Yeah. We put it. Emily. Yeah, you put it in the middle when your brother already finished. Yeah, liquid.
Ils ont fait un autre bouquet.
Allez, une autre. Okay, and I still remember about the 5 second bit. Do you remember? So now can you help me to bring your own bowl of pho over this way? And I will.
2, et tu mélanges encore 3, un peu plus. 1, 4, des grosses secondes.
Thank you, such a nice.
Vas-y. 5, tu vois, on va faire un petit peu plus. Après, à 10, c'est en fonction.
Lần thứ 6 có cà phê đây rồi. Je sais pas vu ce qu'il y avait avec l'heure. Wow, good, very good. Je sais pas vu ce qu'il y avait avec l'heure. Ça doit être bon, hein?
Ouais.
29, pour un jaune d'œuf. Ouais, le log, là, tu mets une cuillère de... I want a palm tree.
3, okay.
Palm tree.
Oh, palm tree.
No, I can work with that. C'est trop.
Yeah,
C'est comme de la meringue, mais avec du jaune d'œuf.
맛만 봐.
먹어보려고. 몇 번? 몇 번 하고?
3번.
커피 맛이 안 나는데?
Yeah, and our notice is filming. You know the grilled pork noodle. Yeah.
아, 진짜.
Good job.
진짜.
Yeah, so we got everything now.
Allez, on commence à fouiller le temps.
그때가니까 커피 맛 난다.
어?
커피 맛 나, 그때가니까.
근데 맛있는데?
Faut qu'on fasse ça à la maison.
이제 먹어도 되는 건가?
And yeah. And if you finish or you want to try anything else, I suggest you try with pho. The breakfast in Vietnam. And I just prepare some lime and some chili for you. And if you taste it, you want your broth to be more sour or more spicy.
Hello.